Howdy, y'all, and welcome to WordPress Wednesday. Today, I'm going to show you how to add new items to the menus on your WordPress site, along with how to rearrange menus and create submenus. To get going, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, find Appearance on the left-hand side menu and hover over it. This will pull up a submenu where you can select Menus. Once you arrive on the Menus page, select the menu that you'd like to edit from the dropdown. With the right menu selected, in our case, the main menu, it is time to find the item or items that you would like to add to it. You can find all of the eligible menu items in the box labeled Add Menu Items. Within this box, you can select pages, posts, categories, or create a custom link to add to your menu. By default, WordPress will show you the 5 most recently edited pages under the Pages section of the Add Menu Items box. You can also view a list of all of the pages on your site or search for a page. The Posts and Categories sections work the exact same way. Today, we'll be adding a new page. We just created it, so it's at the top of the most recent list. To add this, all we need to do is check the box to the left of the page title and click Add to Menu. This will add a link labeled About Us as the final item on your menu. You are welcome to change the navigation label to anything that you like. To rearrange the ordering, all you have to do is click and grab a menu item and drag it to a new location. Once things are arranged the way that you like, click Save Menu. If you want to create a submenu, drag the box underneath the parent menu item so that it is indented like this. Note, the way submenus are displayed varies depending on your theme. On our theme, the default 2020 WordPress theme, it looks like this. And that's how you add a new page to your menu. The process is exactly the same whether you're adding a page, post, or category. The only time the process might differ is if you want to add a custom link. To do that, instead of selecting the page from a list, you simply need to paste in your custom link address and give it its own title. After that, it's all the same. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.